Welcome to our first senior parent meeting. Due to the pandemic, this meeting will consist of a PowerPoint video followed by a question and answer form for any questions you may have after watching this video. Many of you already know the faces on this slide, but I'd like to introduce our 12th grade team. Dr. Tori Kane, our building principal, myself, Dr. Mike Rizzo, the grade level principal, Mr. James L. Key, our 12th grade counselor, Miss Shelley Kelt, our 12th grade secretary, and Miss Katie Meyer, the college career and transition counselor. There are a lot of decisions to be made during a student's senior year. We encourage students to take their time processing all the information and take good notes. They, or you, may not have all the answers. We are here to guide you as much as possible. It's okay to make decisions now and make adjustments later if needed. There are 3 roles we recommend for senior parents. Be patient, be calm, and hold your student accountable. Our seniors' attendance is extremely important, especially now that we're on the quarter system. If your child is going to be absent, please call and/or email Mrs. Kelt so she can mark their attendance. It's also good practice to have your senior email their teachers to let them know that they'll be missing class. The school day starts at 7:20 a.m. and ends at 2:45 p.m. From 7:20 a.m. to 9:55 a.m., students should be working on out-of-class assignments and/or homework. On Wednesdays, we will have a support block from 11:30 a.m. to 12:25 p.m. Teachers have virtual office hours from 2:20 p.m. to 2:45 p.m. if your student needs help or has any questions. Over the next several slides, I'm going to be talking about some important senior year deadlines. You may want to jot them down. Just a reminder that many colleges and universities are test optional for the class of 2021. Very few schools are requiring an ACT or SAT score for admissions. For the test dates above, register at act.org. Free or reduced lunch students can contact Ms. Meyer for a fee waiver. If you are registered for the district ACT on October 20th, more information will be sent out soon. If you plan on taking the SAT, register online at collegeboard.org. Again, free and reduced lunch students can contact Ms. Meyer for a fee waiver. A+ has gone virtual. Tutoring, training, and hours can all be completed virtually. Ask Ms. Meyer if you need help signing up. It is very important to get familiar with Naviance. It is going to be your best friend. You can find Naviance assistance on the PNH Counseling website. The best way to get your questions answered is to talk directly to a college representative. Sign up in Naviance to visit with these schools virtually. Some colleges have deadlines as early as November 1st, so don't wait. The transcript release form is virtual. Reach out to Ms. Meyer if your senior has not filled this out already. All official transcripts and letters of recommendation must be requested through Naviance under Colleges I am applying to. Make sure your senior is contacting teachers and letting them know that they are requesting a letter of recommendation. Please give teachers adequate time to provide a letter. Allow 1 to 2 weeks for letter completion. All this information can be found on PNH Counseling's website as well. Information on FAFSA and scholarships can be found on the College and Career tab of the PNH Counseling website. Some schools have FAFSA deadlines as early as December 1st. It is important that you stay connected to our counseling team. Visit their website frequently, and you can follow them on Twitter and Instagram. Does your senior still need a senior picture? If so, contact Wagner Portrait Studio to set up an appointment. Show your senior some love by purchasing a senior grad ad in the North High yearbook. Ads with pictures and tribute messages are a popular way to honor your senior and their time at PNH. Go to yearbookordercenter.com to buy your ad. The deadline to place your order for a senior grad ad is Friday, October 23rd. The first quarter is moving very quickly. Final exams for the first quarter will be on October 22nd and October 23rd. On October 22nd, students will take their first block and third block finals. On October 23rd, students will take their second block and fourth block finals. The class of 2021 is the first class that is required to pass the American Civics Assessment per Missouri law. The law states that this assessment must be 100 questions and cover the provisions and principles of American civics. Students will have learned this material in 8th grade social studies and in their government courses. All links to this online assessment will be sent to the student's Parkway email. If the student does not receive the email, that means they have taken the assessment and passed it. Your kids are amazing and they're already doing great things. Be proud of them and don't hesitate to email or call if you have any questions. We look forward to hearing from you. And remember, it's a great day to be a Viking.